A giant Ferrero.
Look good.
Bumpty mamin lima.
Everywhere on TV.
This is like Ariana Grande chocolate.
Gift wrapping
179.
just the worst.
Okay, they don't need to know that much.
Special in all the movies there.
Dyan na ang maglala. Nag-shopping pa pala sila. Kaya pala ang tagal-tagal nila. Wow, nakaboots pa siya. Naka-Uggs pa ang auntie mo Hey everyone! We are back for another haul. Another vlog! Ayan po. Nalabas naman po kami. Pupunta kaming mall. Gonna buy stuff na pang winter. Ayan. But first we're gonna eat kasi may dala po kaming bata na galing sa school. Gutom na gutom.
Also, I didn't eat my lunch because they gave me pizza.
Ay? Why pizza kasi?
It's pizza day.
Oh, it's pizza day. Eh, ba't di mo kinain? So, we'll go sa mall para makabili naman ng mga kung anik-anik. Let's go!
I can be your third man dog. Just a symptom you've forgotten. You slip me in your pocket, turn on the television on. Set me in the corner now, and Technicolor's your bed. Oh, won't you hear me out? You're painting all my features and everything you needed. Don't put me on the shelf, no. I'd never find another. Don't ask me what my name means. I don't believe in that. Conversations one-sided, pull my strings and watch me come apart for you. I don't believe in that. Trouble speaking whenever you're around and tell me what you wanna do. I don't believe in that. Wooden pieces inside you, pull my strings and watch me come apart for you. I don't believe in that. I don't believe in that.
Always the same outfit. Except for the shoes for today. Pinag-shortcut na tayo ng Bourbon daw. Nagmamadali ang mabili ang gutom. Gutom na si Madam. Hey, you're walking so fast. Alam mo ba yung shortcut? Hindi nga alam to ni lolo mo eh. Kukunin ka ng taong ahas. That's a big fat lie. Wala bang taong ahas dito, Tana? Oh, ayan na yung taong ahas, oh. Scary. Ikaw ang magsabi sa kanila. Right.
Clouds covered in gray. Third coffee of the day. Almost fell asleep on Zoom. I yawn at the display. Third meeting of the day. But I can hear raindrops tap dancing on the roof.
Because guess what I found?
What did you find?
A giant Ferrero.
Put it back.
Why?
That's chocolate. You have a lot of chocolate at home.
Take away inside, oh, take today. Oh, doesn't it? The rain, eh?
This is Mama's workplace before.
You still working?
The hotel? It's a nice place. Fantasyland.
Now I often get so tired. It's harder just to be fascinated, breathing free. But I can hear raindrops tap dancing on the roof. It's like they're calling out, don't lose your youth. 'Cause I can stay inside and tap away inside, oh, make today.
I'm gonna buy something first for the friends.
Pambalay. Ay, ate, maya.
Mano ata? Ay, we cannot call Tito Mac. Baka gusto rin niya.
Ata, ni, mas natin holistic ni Papa mo. Isa balimot ang ako doon. Inisip mo na.
Huwag yan, mas ka? Hollister.
You guys finding everything alright?
Yeah, he's trying it. Dapat ka nung kagdigos ka nung enal daw nung naka-Hollister. Oh, he's looking for a mirror. Look good.
Mapagday, bumpty mamin limata.
Hello.
Nakabakta din na pantay di bump eh. Naka-warmer.
Sugarod. Logi si di.
Good.
Ano pala kaya yan?
Machine washable pa.
169. Ay, 189 na large.
Minus 40%.
90. 100 ko namon.
Mamapan, magpag yung USD.
Okay, sama ka ito eh. I'll just get this. Ay, wing gamin di pang babae. Tagayam ko. Ag curve ya. So, I'll just get this one as well.
Yeah.
Kasla may met dating nga kulay ni. Ay, napadada mo lang gayam.
Padpada na.
Nga matod da green na.
Tama na green mata.
One. Gray. Ate te para kini Mac. And then mine will be that one.
We're gonna be copyrighted. Yeah.
This is like Ariana Grande jacket.
Oh, I'll get the large.
Ultra heat tech.
Kasasakto lang kanyak garod.
Yeah.
So, kasya lang. Dapat.
Or kastoy ni eh. Kita matoy na nga kuha. 9 piece.
Ano, garod ato.
Sa heat tech ba mo? Yeah. Pero tingnan mo kung anong heat, ano lang ang kaya niya. Kung minus something or minus 39 yun. 39 ang isa.
This is, ay, navy blue.
39 ang isa. 40 na ho. What the? Itong isa, 9.
Navy mo. Ano ko? Black?
Ito, dito. Ito, black.
This one. I'll get just what? I'll just
I
get
thought
one.
large.
Ay, one niya. Kapag na medium tal, alak na sana yung mutun.
Black.
Oh, yeah. I'll just get one. And then, anan hana nga mga lati warming nga kaslay.
Oh? Sa paa lang naman
Anay,
talaga.
tiket pa. At ito sa ko nung reno hanak nga agpantalon.
Oh, yeah.
Kasi han makas jiti winter mi makas na Canada ti winter mi.
Tatakas na tinalaking kay din eh.
Winter is just jokingly winter time. Excuse me, Tamani. Oh my God.
Tapos te maramido.
Lago ni.
Ate, is na ni Naga na din.
179, mother, nagninamot to. 179 to USD. 179
Basta to
Canadian
tikom nga gawi doon.
to USD. So, 132. I'm gonna wear this tomorrow. Oh my God, this is tight. Okay na to. I'll get this.
Princess.
You're next.
I've been out of my head, can't get out of bed. Too much on my brain, but got it good, can't complain. It's like I'm losing my mind, and time's hard to find. What's a girl gotta do to catch a break up when life tries to test me?
Wow. What do you call that?
Naughty Oreo.
What?
Naughty Oreo. That's what the name is.
Wow. Alam na alam mo talaga.
Yesterday, but look at me today. It has been so long since I
Okay, so shopping haul.
Hey everyone, we are back home and we're just gonna do some shopping haul from the things that you haven't seen yet, from the B-rolls or from the behind the scenes. And she's gonna show you some of the stuff na kanina pumila lang siya na isa lang ang hawak niya na bag. And then while she's in line, she's picking something else.
Okay, they don't need to know that much.
No, they need to. Because you bought a lot.
I didn't buy that much, but for the first thing, I bought these two at Dollarama. I got the squishy. It's very relaxing.
And that is the puzzle.
Here's
The
a
heart puzzle.
It's really hard though. And then since Galaxyland closed before we could get there, we went to It's Sugar and got mini brands,
Gummies, the one with burger and the pizzas.
and we also made this connection.
The gummies and all other candies. Guys, ito lang yung hawak niya kanina. Tapos sabi ko, pumila ka so that you will learn. And then at the end of the line, I'll pay for it. Habang nakapila, dami niyang nahuhugot-hugot.
So let's open the mini brands.
Which is, how much is that?
$18.
$18! Oh my God! Pagka-check ko ng resibo, bakit $30 ang binayaran ko?
Parang parang sa kanya yung $18 lang,
Yeah, she doesn't know the value of money.
If you go to the Philippines, how much is $18?
That is already 2 days of work in the Philippines. That is already one hour of work for some people here. Do we need to remove this?
Yeah. So that I can get my prizes. I told you it was how to open it. So we got it open. Now it's time to peel.
Wala akong pipig sana, Pima.
See, I told you your motor skills are not that good.
I know.
Your fine motor skills are not good. Ay nako, you need to
By the way, tell the story on how I was still, like how I would almost still be down there at the escalator.
Yeah, she doesn't know how to get on the escalator. She's so scared. And then we were already upstairs and she's still downstairs. Good thing there's a kuya there.
Yeah.
I think that guy is a Filipino.
Yeah,
And she didn't even say thank you.
I said thank you.
Did you?
Yes, I did.
Oh, see, I told you. Ay, naapo, dito $20
So I got a hacky sack.
That's the $20. No, you got useless stuff for the $20.
This.
I think that's from Anora Grots.
Now time for the second last one.
Second to the last?
I got a slime Nerf gun.
What?
Slime Nerf gun.
Slime Nerf gun?
I got my collection and then I got this.
Bumili na lang sana tayo ng Monopoly.
I have Monopoly up.
Oh, let's play Monopoly.
Goodbye.
So, thank you everyone for watching our vlog. I hope you enjoyed watching our vlog. Bye everyone! Say bye!
It's the end of the year. Everywhere on TV, couples and Christmas trees, gift wrapping and cheer.